Pancake trailer. Let's go around and see its many features. This is of course the driver's side, and that's where we install the generator door. We install the generator in a generator door, in a generator box, because these are essentially theft magnets. People love to steal them, so we box it up and then add a door to it. And it of course has a slider which we can pull out the generator and then access it. You can see the beautiful wrap on the side. The name of the company is Sunny Stacks Pancakes, which of course is on the side. Quite a detailed wrap, this one. It's got two 40-pound propane tanks running all the griddles inside. These are of course hard piped to the floor of the trailer. This is done so that in case there is a leak of propane, it leaks outside, because if propane leaks inside, that can cause explosions. It is now codified into the fire code as well. In front you can see the pigtail for shore power, and the customer can use, as we're doing right now, to connect this to shore power whenever they have access to it and not run the generator. On this side is the grey water drain valve. You just pull the plunger and the water comes out. You can of course connect a 3-inch hose to it and pipe the water out. This here is the water inlet valve. You just use a garden hose to fill water inside. Of course, on top is a 1500 CFM exhaust fan, and of course an AC with heat pump. The exhaust fan is also provided with a little grease trap over there, so the grease doesn't run down the side of the trailer. Like with all trucks and trailers that we build, this one also is a double axle trailer with seamless construction. That is, the aluminum skin of this trailer is held together with rivets, not with rivets, sorry. So the wrap doesn't go and bubble around it and break. Also, it's a lot lighter and it lasts for much longer. Quite a detailed wrap on this one. Getting all this detail aligned was quite a challenge. In fact, we had to rewrap this side of the trailer because it did not meet the expectations. Up there are two LED lights, two sets of LED lights of course, which can be adjusted. And this here is a 6-foot service window. These are self-closing service windows as is required by code. This trailer is actually going to Weld County here in Colorado, Fort Collins actually, and is built to the county specifications. It is also built to a few surrounding county specifications. So the owner of this trailer can use this one all over the Front Range of Colorado. And here they are, the napkin and soap dispensers. Fire suppression is done by certified hands. We use Ansel fire suppression, of course. This right here is the generator box. It's built with 1-inch square tubing, very, very strong. You can put quite a bit of weight on top. 3-compartment sink, hand wash sink. Inside this is all the plumbing, which is the water tanks, water heater, water pump, and the drain valves for all of those. Water tanks are right now empty, almost empty. We were testing them a little while before. This here is a smart hot holding tank or a proofer. This customer is probably going to use this as a proofer. Up here is a 2-pan steam table, LP steam table, and the twin 36 and 24-inch griddles, and a hood that is on top of all of those equipment. The hood of course has the fire suppression drops, connected to the Ansel fire suppression box. Up here is the service window. Under that is a 6-foot table. Per the customer requirement, we're actually replacing this table. Customer would like an 8-foot table here so that she can keep her coffee equipment here. Now, wiring, something we're very proud of here in Mile High. Never have we ever had any wiring issues on food trucks and trailers made here. And that is because we put all the wiring inside these conduits. The walls of a trailer or truck, as I mentioned in every video, is not quite waterproof, moisture proof actually. So moisture can get into these walls, and that if we are to hide the wiring inside, it will eventually damage them. Don't want that. So they are in these conduits, steel of course, and each piece of equipment here are isolated individual breakers. Those are the inside and outside lights, which are LED. We got 3 lights here in this trailer on the inside, 2 lights on the outside. Up in the back is a refrigerator. Under that are the K and the ABC fire extinguishers, along with the 50 amp extension cord that we made custom for this customer. That is going to be used to connect the generator to the trailer itself. Right now it's running on shore power. The ABC and K fire extinguishers are there because we just will wait for the fire suppression and the health department inspection. Sometimes inspectors don't like where the fire extinguishers are and ask that they be relocated. We don't want to put too many holes in this trailer, which is why they're there. Sitting under that table is the coffee machine. Once we have the 8-foot table here, we're going to be taking this off, putting this back in, and then mounting the coffee equipment right about here. That is an overview of the 16-foot pancake trailer that we built for Sunny Stacks Pancakes, going to Well County here in Colorado. If you have any questions, or if you would like a truck or trailer built for yourself, contact us here at milehighcustomfoodtrucks.com or zionfoodtrucks.com. Thank you and have a nice day.